Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to replace washer dryer outlet box water valves. Let's get started. We're gonna cut this part. And now we're gonna cut the copper pipe and the PVC drain line. I'm gonna use Ado copper cutter, 1/2 inch. And we're gonna turn like this. Before you do all this, turn off your shut-off valve from the main line so there is no water. Okay, we cut this. I'm gonna cut this too. And this one cut too. Now we're going to cut the PVC. Okay, we cut this and we're going to remove this box now. I'm just gonna cut the take this out like this. I might use this existing ones. We'll see. Clean this PVC. And now we're gonna clean these copper pipes. I'm gonna use half-inch copper pipe cleaner. You can order from Amazon. All you gotta do, insert. Like this. And you need to ream it with this one. Clean interior and exterior so it's not sharp. This is good. Do this one. And then one more time. That's it. Now I'm going to install coupling. That's the new one. It's gonna go right here. We're gonna use 2-inch coupling. Primer. And now glue. We need to glue this pipe onto this middle one. Glue it and turn, quarter turn, and hold it. It's gonna be like this. 10 seconds maybe, and leave it. And then we're gonna measure one more time before we cut the pipe. Hold that all the way to the hole, and half of this is gonna be alright. So I'm gonna cut it. I cut it. I'm gonna prime it. And then I'm gonna glue that here. Glue that inside that too. And then push. It's gonna be like this. Those are the connections. I already hard soldered it here, so I'm just gonna connect them together, but we need to measure and cut how much we need. To do that, take this here. Like this. Like this, and you're gonna just measure the pipe, which is here. And remove that, and then do the cold side. Like this. Okay, and then mark these two. And we're gonna cut them now. Let me cut them, I will be back. I already cut them. And now we're gonna clean the pipe with this one. Same for the other one. And we're gonna also use this one. As you see, it's very clean, nice. Do the same thing on the other one. and then one more inside and outside. We cleaned, and make sure you secure that from the, I'm gonna use previous hooks, so secure your dryer, washer box. I already hooked that. And now this one. Okay, now all of them clicked and it's secure now. Now we're gonna install our connections. Put them and see if everything correct. Everything matches. Nice. Let's put that. I'm gonna use ProPress connection. Mark this. And now okay, and we're gonna press this. Let me show you. I have ProPress gun. And there is green, that means it is good. And do the top. Make sure press. It's green, that means good. Now we're gonna do this side. First we need to check it. If it is correct, yes. We're gonna install this fitting first, and then okay, kinda. Clicked, and now we're gonna press this too. And we're gonna do this one. Alright, that's it. Now I'm gonna turn the water on and see if any leaks. First I need to turn off those. This is off. And this is off. Alright, I'm gonna turn on the water and see. Alright everybody, I already turned the water on. And let's see if there is any leak. No leaks. Nothing. And that's it. And then lastly, final thing is you're gonna install this cover like this and then put your drywall, patch it, and that's it. Alright everybody, that's it for today. If you like my video, if it is helpful at all, please subscribe my channel and let me grow it, and let me know if you have any question about anything. Thank you very much for watching my videos.